Iberian explorer, Viking Vela, January 2026.
Normally they say that a miracle survives only 3 days. On board Viking Vela, actually, the miracle survives only 1 day. And I'm talking about the dining experience, the dinner in the restaurant. After an excellent dinner last night, tonight went back to normal. That means less than mediocre. Why? Because actually, how can I put it without offending everybody, because I got so many haters, fans or Viking contact me and putting comments or on my personal opinion. How can I put it? The dinner was rubbish, was offensive from so many points of view. And let me take you step by step in the menu what I ordered. First of all, I ordered the oysters. That was a very poor version of Rockefeller oyster. The oysters, they were very, very dry, a lot of tomato sauce, the breadcrumbs on top, they were almost burned, so you hardly could feel the taste of the oyster. They're very, very small, and shoved under a lot of tomato sauce and the breadcrumbs. As a main course, I decided to try something different. So for the main course, because Viking wants to be a premium cruise line, I decided to go for the lobster. Lobster with lobster risotto. Was nice. What can I say? It was very, very nice. But again, we are talking about a premium cruise line with a premium price tag, so you'll expect to be like a proper lobster. The lobster was more in line with what any other cruise line, P&O, Costa, will offer in the main dining room. Quite small. And the risotto obviously was not cooked by, or the recipe wasn't made by an Italian, because the texture wasn't the right one. It was okay, but not something that I would love to recommend to my friends. And finally, for the dessert, I choose something from the destination menu. Once again, you have on board the Viking ships passengers from countries that they want to explore, they want to learn more about the country that they visit. An hour and a half in Vigo, you learn a lot about Spain. You want to learn about the history, included tour, guys that they don't know how to finish the tour faster, okay? But you want to learn about the culinary, gastronomy of the place that you visit. And therefore, churros was part of the destination, the local destination menu. Okay, that was very, very offensive. Not necessary for me, because I'm Spanish by adoption, but for my better half, Miguel, who's Spanish, the dessert, churros, was very, very offensive. One, because everywhere in the Spanish word, churros, it's featured normally on breakfast. It's not a dessert. Second, because churros, they are quite big. Third, because churros, they are not covered with chocolate and sugar and things, they are just churros. And finally, churros supposed to be hot. My churros, they are small, hard, tasteless. No, I'm wrong. Actually, they do taste of deep fried oil. Tasteless, with a lot of chocolate and adds on, just to make a wow moment, which is actually more a moment. So the choice was different. I don't want to question the skills of the chef on board. What I want to question is who created this menu, who thought that whatever was in the menu tonight, whatever I had on the plate tonight, was an exploration of the destination. And add to that, on top that, on a Tuesday, in the menus Sunday roast lunch, that in when we are in Andalusia, we had in the menu paella catalana. I'm not talking about the spelling and how it's written in the menu because that was wrong, but paella Catalonia, no connection with the south of Spain, with Andalusia, with Malaga, and we can carry on like that. It's like at the end of the day, Viking has the feeling that their passengers, they don't have a clue what they are eating, where they are going, or what they are doing. And that's not exactly the premium experience that you expect. This is a later edit. After I made the comments about dinner tonight in the restaurant and the immersive experience and exploring of the Spanish cuisine, I just saw this. And I cannot stop thinking what the American Viking guest will think if I will go to them one night and tell them very excited, oh my God, the immersive American experience dinner was so good because we had turkey as a main dish for Easter or French fries with chocolate as a dessert. That was what happened today. So maybe Viking needs to think very serious how they can educate their guests if they really want to get a flavor of Europe or the place where they travel.
Iberian Explorer.